We certainly see a lot of people who might be very accomplished leaders, but they are abysmal when it comes to having a C-level interview. So what would be some of the key things that you would sort of share for them to be just mindful of?
Okay, so one thing that I see that needs to be a focus area could be being able to pause, because our brains just start going like crazy, especially if you're about to walk into an interview and you're used to be on the other side of the interview table, so to speak. The assumption that you'll automatically get the job because, hey, I've been doing X, Y, Z, but so have all the other candidates. So what makes you different to the rest or more suited to this role? So it's about you presenting yourself the best that you can possibly be. And in that respect, just pausing for one moment, taking a breath, thinking about it, and then being able to share your message. Again, keeping it very simple, clear, and concise. And when I say simple, I don't mean in the sense that you're dumbing down your qualifications, dumbing down what you're saying. I mean in the sense that by keeping it simple, people can make that connection with you better.
I think that is such poignant advice, and unfortunately, most people do forget it the more senior they get.